Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video we will be talking about a 132 model of the Toyota Supra 2020. If you are part of the car world and you know about the older generation model and this one, you know that this was a bit of a controversy back in the day when it came out, because the original Supra was a beloved car in the car community, especially for the tuning options. It featured heavy in the Fast and Furious movies, and it gained some really great popularity. When Toyota announced that they will be making a successor, a newer model, everyone was skeptical about it and the styling and everything. But from my point of view, the styling is modern. It has been refreshed. It has been actualized, and not actualized, but refreshed. And today we will be talking about the 132 model. This model is from a company named RMZ City. Unfortunately, I do not have the box anymore, but we have, or I have in my collection, other models from RMZ, so we will be looking at the box in the future. But for now, let's focus on this particular model. The color, let's start with the color. It is a matte black, which I absolutely love. It is really cool. Unfortunately, it scratches easily, as you can see, so there are a lot of defects, unfortunately. But you know my saying, it is what it is. Outside that, the styling has been kept as much as possible. We have the Toyota logo up here. Let me adjust the camera a bit. Yeah, I still haven't fixed the lighting situation, so I am sorry about that. But that being said, let's go forward. Yeah, so this is a matte black, really cool. The Toyota logo. I'm sorry. Yeah, that hurt me more than you, trust me. The headlights are detailed, so they are interesting. This little detail in the interior, really cool. The grille has some texture to it, so you know, as I always say, the bigger the model, the more details can be fit into it. One thing that I can say about the RMZ models than the old school, or even the what did we do first, the Shelby Cobra, you'll find here the link to that video if you want to watch it. It's a bit lighter, so it's still a diecast, it's still metal, but it feels a bit light. I don't know, maybe it's the casting process or they're using different alloys, who knows. But in any case, the model can open its doors, as always, with a pretty detailed interior, no coloring. As always on these models, there is no color on the interior, black plastic, and that's it, but pretty detailed nonetheless. You have a touch screen or a screen in the middle, some buttons for your aircon, for different functions. The steering wheel has some details on it, the center column, and the seats, all from what I can, also pedals. Yeah, really cool. From what I can see, this might be a one piece, this and the dashboard another, so yeah. No, sorry, I think I had my thumb in the camera. Yeah, but cool detail nonetheless. In the back, this would be the stoplight, like the Formula 1 cars. Interesting nonetheless. Toyota Supra, Toyota logo, Supra, and the Toyota Supra writing. The backlights, detailed, really interesting. The pipes, and we have some piping going underneath. Not much detail, of course, but still they gave it an effort. And this is a rollback. Not a fan of these, I really am not, but what you gonna do? This is what they give us, and this is what we accept. Yeah, and other details like on the bonnet, these air scoops. This would be the trunk here, but really aerodynamic, really upgraded with the modern times. Maybe, but not really. You can also see some details from the Lexus LFA in the design language. Remember that Lexus is owned by Toyota, from what I know, and they do like to mingle about with their styling. So yeah, all in all, a really cool model. Now, I would really love to know your opinion on it. Like, what do you think of this new Toyota? Does it make justice to the old one? Is it a poor attempt at replicating the success, the name? Should have they named it another way? Let's discuss. But that being said, as always, thank you so much for watching today's episode and see you in the next one. Have a great one.